Ah, a healthy lifestyle. How to stay healthy. Close your eyes for 5 seconds. Now imagine your perfect day. You wake up happy, full of energy and smiling. Do you want more days like this? Then let's learn how to stay healthy. First of all, I answer the question, why is healthy important? It's important to feel strong, to think better, and enjoy life. You can also help others. I'm going to I'm going to tell you five helpful tips to improve this lifestyle. First of all, first tip: water is life. So, the best thing to do is to drink 6 to 8 glasses every day. So your body and brain love water, and they're going to be better if you drink water. Um, so the second tip is eat good food. Um, Eating food is a daily routine of our life, but eating the right food like fruits and vegetables, eating less sugar and fast food, which means a colorful food means also a happy mood. Um, the third tip is to work run. You it just take 20 minutes a day and helps to get more energy and start in a happy mood the day. The third tip is sleeping. Sleeping is a very important fact. As every person have to sleep 8 hours every night, and the best way is not use the phone before bed. Um, the last one is to smile more, to be happy, and also to talk to friends, to your real friends. Your friends or your family can also be an interesting fact in to live a healthy lifestyle. If you have a lot of if you met a lot of friends, which also helps you if you have bad situations, you also have a healthy life without any stress or without any stress. If you have a family which supports you, um, then you can be happy that you have this privilege to live in a happy mood. You can be so proud. If you have them, you can be so proud that you have not a worse situation, not a relationship with friends or um, friend, friends or family. Um, yeah. Uh, right. Um, uh, Also, fresh air, nature. Some activities you can do to have a healthy lifestyle is to go outside every day, and also to breathe deeply. Nature makes you calm and happy, and also you can think about more outside as you can see rather than in homes. Um, Reading books and answer every questions is also a very interesting fact. To try something new and learning keeps your brain healthy. Too much work if you have too much work, take a break, because 5 minutes can help a lot. They rest help your body and your mind. And um, and what you should do to avoid it is to avoid too much sugar and also too much screen time and negative thinking. And staying inside all day can also be a bad. Can also make you feel bad. So let's make a plan. You should you should should choose 3 tips you like most and try them every day for 1 week, and then write down how you feel. And if it's helpful, you can you can tell me how it's you can tell me how it's go on how it was. A healthy body and a healthy mind helps you live your best life. Start today, you can do it. Thank you for listening.